Nope, not gonna make it.
Hey, what's up? I'm Mike, a private pilot, and this is Alex, a certified flight instructor, and this is LineUp&Fly, home for aviation tricks, tips, and trips. This week, join Alex and I as we go and practice some maneuvers that we haven't done in a while, including short field landings, short field takeoffs, and just getting proficient in a Cessna 172.
Auburn traffic, Cessna 80, Limit Tango, left downwind, 25, Auburn.
Auburn traffic, Cessna 6280 Foxtrot, departing runway 25, rating left close traffic 25 Auburn.
Powers, there you go, there's 23.
Power.
Oil's good.
40.
Airspeed's alive.
And rotate.
And we're off.
And we're off. Traffic Cessna 80 Foxtrot will be turning final runway 25 Auburn. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There you go. That was nice.
That was nice. That was very good.
Alright, let's go on. Auburn traffic, Cessna 80 Foxtrot is departing on the downwind leg and will be exiting the pattern to the northeast. Auburn. I'm going to go ahead and do a cruise checklist or a climb checklist.
What'd you say? 3,400. We'll just climb up to pattern altitude.
2,500 RPM. Mixture is rich. Instruments are checked. Taxi landing light will remain on. And we don't have a flight plan, so it looks good. Alright. Well, let's get 1,000 above.
Okay.
Right.
Do you want to fly over?
We gotta check the windsock.
Well, there's one way in and there's one way out.
Well,
That's true. You could, I mean, if you want to...
you could take off from that one runway.
You could, but it's essentially a one way in, one way out kind of runway.
Fire, no personnel. On final, 3-0. Fire.
Georgetown traffic, Cessna 80 Foxtrot, 5 miles west of the field, inbound, Georgetown.
This is where I learned to do short field landings.
Traffic camera.
Wow.
Oh, they changed the numbers. It's 17 now.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Why? Well, I'm surprised ForeFlight hasn't updated.
I know. I might have the last revision.
Delta, clear the runway.
Where is the damn windsock here?
I feel like it's on the approach end.
Fire traffic, all jumpers away, northwest corner, 13,000 or below, use caution, Byron.
Georgetown traffic, Cessna 80 Foxtrot, left 45, runway 17, Georgetown.
500 for 30, Byron.
Bad.
But we're down.
Yes, we are.
We didn't crash.
No.
We're in Georgetown.
That's a pretty normal Georgetown landing. Georgetown traffic, Cessna 80 Foxtrot, entering runway 17 for departure, Georgetown. Slowly add the power, max power
Okay,
set.
23. Oil's
Make it
good.
full. Everything looks good. There we go.
There we go. Speed to live. 35. 40. 45. we got a fan. There's a guy on the tarmac watching us.
Byron, traffic, there's 1 South Delta making right crossing runway 30.
Yeah, I mean, it's possible. You know?
I know it's possible. I took off this way once.
It is freaky. You see those trees coming up.
Yeah, it's
You
like,
just have to treat it as a short field.
it's like, wow, I feel like I could touch him. Yeah, one time when I was still in training, Josh let me take off this way, and then afterwards
runway 30.
was like, hey, so
1 Delta Delta.
did you know that Georgetown's a one-way in, one-way out kind of airport where I mean, you can do what you did, but you could go the other way and avoid the trees. Nope, not gonna make it.
Oh, we were within PTS, kind of, until you bounced. That was within 200 feet, I mean, but we bounced.
We did bounce.
All right, let's take off the right way this time.
Yeah, I like that idea.
Auburn traffic, Cessna 80 Foxtrot is 8 miles to the southwest, inbound for runway 25, Auburn.
Below 12,000. Temperature 19 Celsius.
Auburn traffic to Cessna 80, Lima Tango, left downwind 25, Auburn.
Auburn traffic, Cessna 80 Foxtrot, turning final, runway 25, Auburn.